Hello, my name is Peter Marcos, and today I'm going to show you how to divide unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. This follows the 5th grade Math Common Core Standard, NFB 7, apply and extend previous understandings of division to divide unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. First, let's do a quick review. If you do not remember which numbers are whole numbers, here are a couple of examples of whole numbers. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. As you can see, whole numbers are not fractions or decimals. If you do not remember what a unit fraction is, here are a couple of examples of unit fractions. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, and so on. As you can see, unit fractions are fractions when the numerators are all 1. Now, before we do some practice problems, we need to first go over the 2 steps that we will need to do to answer the questions. So the first step, keep, change, flip, or shorthand, you just call it KCF. The second step, multiply. Okay, now let's do some problems. First example, let's say we have 1/2 divided by 4. So we need to first make this for a fraction. Since it's a whole number, we should know that it's always above 1. A whole number as a fraction is always above 1. So now let's do the first step, KCF. So watch what I do. I put the K under the 1/2. I put the C under the division sign, and I put the F under the 4/1. Notice why I'm doing that. It means whatever is above the K, this 1/2, this is what I'm keeping. So I'm going to write it down here. The C is changed, so that means whatever is above it, this division sign, I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to multiplication. F for flip means whatever is above the F, I'm flipping. So I'm going to flip this fraction, 4/1, to 1/4. The second step, we need to multiply. And now that we've changed the division to multiplication, we can do that. So let's multiply. And when you multiply, the answer will be 1/8. Okay, let's do a second problem. Let's say we have 6 divided by 1/5. So remember, 6 is a whole number. That means it's always above 1 for a fraction. Now the first step, keep, change, flip. So I'm going to write the K under the 6/1, the C under the division, and the F under 1/5. So now 6/1 is above k, so that means I'm going to keep it. So just write 6/1. The division sign is above the c, so that means you change it to multiplication. And the 1/5 is above f, so flip it to 5/1. And now just multiply. And when you multiply, you should get 30/1, which means your answer is just 30. And that is how you divide unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you very much. Have a great day.